So we got the trending links screen, however we still have the same content, we have the same links, we're displaying them the same way. So let's see how we can change that. So go to trending links. So basically we want to show only the links with the highest view, and we want them to scroll horizontally. Now before I do all that, I want to also make this screen a bit special. So just like we did in our the profile screen, we have this nice full screen background image. So I want to create something like that, just so that it looks a bit different than the home page here. Okay, so for that we can use image background. So let's import from React Native image background, we import, and then let me use that. So I'm going to wrap everything with that image background, and here sorry, before I do anything here, let me put all the content back into it so that we don't have this error. Okay, so this one requires the width, height, width. Without width you don't see anything, so we can write that here. Style flex 1, height we give 100%. Okay, so we don't see anything because we don't have the source, so we can add that as well. Source, and if you remember, we used URI for the source. So let me quickly show you that screen. That was profile. Here we use the source, or actually we use the same. Okay, so we didn't use URI, we use require. Okay, so that's good, because whenever you want to load the files from within your directory here, you will use require. So that's what we're going to do here as well. Trending links, so source, let me just remove that and paste. Okay, so the require blur. Now you can use different image, but I think it looks pretty good now, and without blurring it looks pretty nice because we have these preview cards, and we can leave this background without blur. So let me just add one more property, resize mode color, and let's not apply the blur because I like it the way it is. Actually, I think we should use different image because you can see it is dark, and because of that we don't really see the footer icons as well. So let's go find a nice image with light background, circles. Let me just search for that. This might look good. Okay, let's try this one, and if it doesn't look good we can always change. 1280, download. Let's save it directly in our assets folder. Let's call it trending. Trending.jpg, that is now here. Okay, so let's use that, assets trending. Okay, okay, now we can fix this, but still it is a little too dark for our footer icon, so I think we need something light. So let me find another image, something lighter. Probably this one looks good. Let's try this one. Chimneys. So let me save it as trending, replace, come here. Okay, so that's looks good. Awesome. All right, so the next thing I want to do is, it's taking a lot of space on top. Here on the screen, I don't think we need to use safe area view, so let's remove that. Safe area view. Oh, sorry, I think I removed the wrong one. Safe area view is here, so we can just manually add some padding and just don't use safe area view, so that it goes all the way to the top and we can show the title. Okay, so looks like I undo it few more times. Let me change that back again to trending.jpg. Okay, now you can see it is going all the way to the very top. So now we can put some padding, 50, maybe 60. All right, so 60, and then the bottom 20. Perfect. All right, now instead of vertical, let's make it horizontal scroll, and for that we have this scroll view. We just have to give this property horizontal. It's pretty simple. Okay, now you can see here, beautiful. You can see you can scroll. Okay, something looks, let me just reload the screen. Let's go to trending. Okay, so the first one seems to, okay, actually they're taking quite a lot of width. Okay, so they're taking a lot of width. Otherwise, we have the horizontal scroll. So let's see why that's happening. And let me also put some styling on this one. I think it's looks good bit up. Okay, put some, give it a color. Let's keep it white. Okay, that's good. So they're taking all this width. Let's give it a fixed width. Align items center width. Let's give 400. Height 300. Okay, that's nice. You can see here. That's our very first preview screen, and then so on. We have nice, beautiful preview screens. Awesome. Now we have to only show the links with the highest views, right? So you can see this one has the 4 views, so this should be in the very beginning. This one has 6 views. So let's see how we can do that. Now basically what we're going to do is we're just going to apply the sort function. So we're going to sort out based on the views. So whichever has the highest views, we will come in the front. And not only that, we're just going to, we can limit as well how many you want to show, 3, 6, 10, how many you want to show, you can do that as well. So let's work here on the map. So links and links.map. Now just before map, what we want to do is we want to apply the sorting. So links.sort. So sort function takes another function as an argument. So we can think of these each links as A and B, and then it will return, this function will return based on the views. So B views minus A views. In our case, instead of minus, we're just going to use smaller than. What we can do is we can do if A views smaller than v views, then we use ternary. So in that case we return 1 or we return -1. Then a slice, you want to slice how many links you want to show. For example, if you want to show only 3, you can do that. Slice from the very beginning and get 3 of them, and then dot map we have here. So that means we can remove this one. Actually, let me just remove from here. Dot. Alright, so sort, then slice, and then map. So we don't need links here, we just need the map. Beautiful. Now let's go have a look. Now currently this is how it looks. The same data, when we use the sort and slice all this, then that will look something like this. Now you can see here it has been sorted. The one with the highest view is here in the very beginning, so that's the one with a view of 6, followed by this one 4, and then 1. So we are showing only 3, so that's why it comes. Now if you change that to 4, then you see 4. Alright, beautiful. So let me put it back to 3. Awesome. So this way you can implement the training links based on the views, and we display them nicely in a horizontal scroll. Now you can see here when we scrolling, you see this indicator down here. Now if you don't want that, then you can change this. Previously we were showing vertical scroll. Now since we're not using that, we're using horizontal. Let's change this to horizontal. Shows horizontal scroll view. Alright, now you can see it's nice. There is no scroll view. Awesome.